Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best countertop ice makers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Frigidaire 26 pounds per day portable compact ice maker. This compact and modern-looking machine features a stainless steel design that gives it a premium feel. Its sleek dimensions, 9 by 13 by 13 inches, allow it to fit seamlessly on most countertops without taking up too much space. And the transparent window lets you monitor the ice-making process in real time. In terms of performance, the Frigidaire is efficient, producing up to 26 pounds of clear, squared ice cubes per day. The machine can store up to 2.2 pounds of ice at a time, and it only takes about 6 minutes to churn out fresh ice. The user-friendly control panel makes operation a breeze, with indicators for when the ice bin is full or when the water reservoir needs refilling. However, this model does not have a self-cleaning function, which means more manual maintenance compared to others on this list. This ice maker is ideal for small households or offices where space is limited, and it's perfect for those who prefer clear, square ice cubes for their drinks. However, with its slightly lower ice production capacity and lack of advanced features like self-cleaning, it may fall short for larger households or heavy usage. Still, its sturdy build and reliable performance make it a solid choice for anyone looking for a basic, no-frills ice maker. At number 4, we have the AGLUCKY Ice Maker's Countertop with Handle. This compact and portable ice maker is designed for convenience, featuring a lightweight build, just 14.25 pounds, and a sturdy handle for easy transport. Its minimalist gray design and large viewing window make it a stylish yet functional addition to any kitchen, RV, or outdoor setup. The AGLUCKY produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 to 8 minutes and can churn out up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours. It has a 1.2-liter water tank, so you don't need to refill it constantly. One standout feature is its self-cleaning function, which simplifies maintenance. Just press the clean button, and the machine takes care of the rest. It even lets you choose between 2 ice sizes, small for quick cooling or large for slower melting. While the AGLUCKY is great for smaller households, its lower daily capacity compared to higher-ranked models might not meet the needs of larger parties or heavy ice users. Additionally, the ice produced is bullet-shaped, which some users may find less versatile than nugget or square ice. Overall, this is a fantastic option for anyone needing a portable, budget-friendly, and low-maintenance ice maker. Taking the third spot is the Silonn Ice Maker Countertop, a compact and portable option that balances affordability and performance. Measuring just 8.7 by 11.4 by 11.6 inches, this machine is perfect for small spaces. Its lightweight design and carry handle make it easy to move around, whether you're using it at home, in an RV, or at a picnic. The Silonn churns out 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in as little as 6 minutes and can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day. Its 1.3-pound storage capacity is decent for small gatherings, and the 1.2-liter water tank ensures you won't need to refill it too often. It also features a self-cleaning function, which is a big plus for those who want low-maintenance appliances. The control panel is simple and intuitive, with indicator lights for when you need to add water or when the ice basket is full. While the Silonn is efficient and user-friendly, it does have limitations. Its daily capacity is on the lower end, and it only offers bullet-shaped ice, which may not suit everyone's preferences. However, for its compact size, portability, and ease of use, the Silonn is a fantastic choice for couples, small families, or anyone on the go. In second place, we have the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop, a powerhouse designed for ice enthusiasts who love chewy pellet-style ice. This stainless steel model is both durable and stylish, with compact dimensions 11.02 by 9.06 by 12.6 inches that fit neatly on most countertops. The protective film on the exterior adds to its longevity, ensuring it stays scratch-free. This machine is all about performance. It produces soft, chewable nugget ice in just 7 to 10 minutes and can deliver up to 35 pounds of ice per day. The 1.1-liter water tank and automatic cleaning function make it a low-maintenance option, and its simple one-button operation ensures ease of use. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to enjoy ice in your drinks, this machine won't disappoint. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is perfect for larger households, offices, or frequent entertainers. However, it's slightly heavier than other models, and its higher capacity might be overkill for those who only need occasional ice. Nonetheless, its combination of design, performance, and user-friendly features makes it a standout choice for anyone who values high-quality nugget ice. Finally, our top pick is the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop with Handle. This model stands out for its portability, efficiency, and high-quality nugget ice. Its sleek black design is complemented by a removable top cover for easy cleaning and a sturdy handle for effortless transport. At just 19.58 pounds, it's lightweight enough to take to parties, RV trips, or camping. What sets this machine apart is its speed and capacity. It produces soft, chewable nugget ice in as little as 6 minutes and can make up to 34 pounds of ice per day. The 1.2-quart water tank ensures consistent production, and the 1.8-pound removable basket keeps plenty of ice ready to go. The self-cleaning function and intuitive control panel, with indicators for ice full and add water, make this machine incredibly user-friendly. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is ideal for anyone who values convenience and performance. Whether you're an ice lover who enjoys munching on nugget ice or someone who hosts frequent gatherings, this machine delivers on all fronts. Its slightly higher price is justified by its premium features, making it the best countertop ice maker in our lineup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.